Check it out. This is the 2014 to 2018 RAV4 Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. We're going to show you in this video how to pair and set up wireless CarPlay. We'll have another set of videos for the Android Auto users. Of course, we've also got a full installation video, so be sure to check that out. And finally, if you want an overview of the features, we'll have an overview video on our YouTube channel also. Let's get to it. I'm now going to show you how to set up CarPlay and your audio. Watch this very carefully. Go ahead and open up your iPhone. We'll open it to Settings and then Bluetooth. And you may need to touch a button at the top here that says Allow New Connections if that appears on your phone. On the Hamilton device, we'll touch the phone icon to open up the Bluetooth app. Scroll to the bottom on your iPhone of your Bluetooth list and you should see a device starting with Hamilton. If you don't see it, turn your Bluetooth on your phone off and then back on for the first time. We'll go ahead and touch it now where it says Hamilton. A pairing code's going to pop up. It does not matter what it says. You can click pair. You got to click allow to contacts and favorites. And then CarPlay will start to pair. When you see this blue connect button, click connect. That button doesn't always appear and that's perfectly okay. You'll see now wireless CarPlay has connected. This is Smart Display Zoom, where you have this more zoomed out appearance. If you want it to look more zoomed in, we can come here to Settings, Display in CarPlay, and turn off Smart Display Zoom. We call the settings in CarPlay the CarPlay Settings app. It's separate from the Hamilton Settings app. When you touch this Hamilton icon, it'll take you back to the Hamilton underlying home screen. And here, this is the Hamilton settings. Touching this icon will bring you back to CarPlay. In the Hamilton underlying operating system, you can add a 4G SIM card to this device, or you can pair it to your phone's hotspot when you're not connected to CarPlay to use a variety of apps that are on the Hamilton underlying operating system that may not be available in CarPlay. When you're switching between Android Auto and CarPlay, you'll need to touch one of these apps here for which phone you want to connect. It will set this to be the last remembered device connection. So if you're using CarPlay, this will remain CarPlay. If you're using Android Auto, this button will remain Android Auto. I'll now make an important note about how to disconnect CarPlay. CarPlay uses your phone's Bluetooth to initiate the connection, and then it automatically takes over your phone's Wi-Fi channel. This is so it can distribute data in a high-speed manner, and it's from Apple and not from Hamilton. What this means is that to disconnect CarPlay, you swipe down from Control Center. Touching that white Wi-Fi icon will prompt you, do you want to disconnect CarPlay? You can touch disconnect, and then about 25 to 30 seconds later, it will disconnect. Turning the Bluetooth off on your phone will keep it from reconnecting. To reconnect CarPlay, you would turn the Bluetooth back on your phone and wait for about 30 seconds for it to reconnect. We have a lot of helpful information available on our Help Center, help.hamiltonmotorcompany.com. Of course, you can also reach us at 919-858-2890 for North Carolina-based customer service. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. Be sure to check out our full installation video, and I'll see you in the next video.